Hi there, Dave with Crandall Office, and today we're going to be going over how to show you whether your Aeron Classic chair has a top or side activated gas cylinder. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so the first step in this process is going to be to remove the top cover of the clamshell mechanism cover underneath the Aeron chair. And I've actually got one of these removed from the chair just so we can take a closer look at it and show you exactly. There's going to be 3 clips in here that we're going to need to release to get the top portion of the clamshell removed. Now it's going to be situated like this on underneath the chair, actually backwards. And so the top portion, so I'm going to flip this over just to kind of show you where these clips are, and we'll give you some close-ups of this too, but there's 3 clips. The easiest way to notify where these 2 are on the front are going to be these little cutouts in the bottom side of the clamshell. The third is going to be over by the larger hole. You can see right next to that larger hole here. And what we're going to do once we're underneath the chair is I find it's a little bit easier. You can kind of scoot in here sometimes and get it from the outside, but I like to come in from the inside and actually release these clips this way. So I'm going to come in where these cutouts are, release these 2 front clips, and then we're going to come in the side and do that. So I wanted to give you that clarification and show you with the clamshell removed what that looks like. For tools, I tend to like this trim removal tool. It's a plastic, just kind of shim kind of tool, but you can use a flathead screwdriver or whatever else you have available, butter knife, whatever. We just find that the plastic can cause a little bit less damage. If you do slip, you're not going to scratch that plastic out quite as much. All right, so with the chair flipped over, we can see we've got these 2 little cutouts that I mentioned earlier. And what we're going to do, I'm going to start there and try to get these in there. And you can kind of look underneath here. What you're trying to do is release that clip. And you might need to just kind of release that. And you can see I just got both of them off. This one came off after these came off, so we should be good to go with this one. But if you need to, you can access this side one much easier than the others. These 2 are kind of the more difficult of the 3. Okay, so with the top of the clamshell removed, I'm going to set that aside and we're going to flip the chair back over because it's a little bit easier to kind of see what's going on underneath here. And so as we look underneath the chair, and we're going to get you some good close-up views of this, you're going to see where the cylinder comes in. You're going to either see a lever with a set screw on top of it, or you're going to see the top of the cylinder with a lever and a cable hooked into it. We're going to show you both of those. If you see the lever with the set screw, that means you have a top activated style chair. If you're seeing the top of the cylinder with the cable hooked into the lever as a side pull, that's going to be a side activated style chair. So real simple and easy there. With the cylinder identified, now we're going to reinstall the top of the clamshell back onto the mechanism cover. And so what we're going to do here is you're going to have these 2 little clips here. Those are going to go on the front edge, and you're going to want those to get in first. And you're going to kind of line those 2 up with the receiving pieces, and then it's going to kind of rotate down and into place. And you can see it already kind of clipped into place. We're going to go around to those various points with those clips and just make sure everything is clipped and holding into place properly. And it might take you a little bit of moving around and making sure that the cables are in their right spots. And then we'll just pop, squeeze that together. And as you can see, now we are clipped and back into place. Your mechanism cover is back in and we are all set. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video on how to tell whether your Aeron Classic chair has a top or side activated gas cylinder. If you found this video helpful, please click the like and subscribe buttons below. It really helps us out. If you've got any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to us at our website, crandalloffice.com, our Facebook page, or anywhere else you can reach us. We're always here to help. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah, it's filming.
Okay. Oh, you're filming?
Yeah, we're good.
Oh, great. Awesome. So, okay, so, awesome. All right, so with, here, I'm going to start that over. Okay. Okay, awesome. So with, okay. I might be able to get that. Are we able to cut this or no?
Yeah.
See what's going on underneath here. And so as we look underneath the chair, and we're going to get you some good close-up views of this, you're going to see where